So I'm sure you heard before the phrase that if you don't own a boat, the best thing to have is a friend who owns a boat. So in this case, my friend is getting this 15.8 gallon gas can that is going to be very, very effective to go on much longer trips on the boat. Let's take a look at what we have. How are you?
Nice one.
This is not your regular gas tank. Look at this. Open that,
well, look at
please.
Heavy duty handle.
Not only a handle, but it's so you can pump it.
Yeah, you can pump it.
Can you open that?
Sure. And what is this one?
I don't know. You have to read this.
We have to read. That's the problem.
That's the problem.
That's the problem. You know, man, they don't read instructions.
So let's look at this. Should be pretty easy. Here's the drawing. Oh, that's just to hang the.
Oh.
Put it on there.
There you go. This hose, you can tell the quality of this hose. The one I had was made out of plastic, and it would kink all the time. But this is heavy duty. This is like
heavy
a gas
duty.
pump.
It's a professional pump.
It's a professional pump.
So that goes there. I think.
Put that here, and it's got two shut-off valves. Oh, it's perfect.
So this one is 15.8 gallons. So what do you have here in this boat, the little boat?
This one has 49 gallons, but
49. But how fast does that go?
Yeah, it doesn't go fast at all. With this
tank,
15 gallons, I do 4 miles a gallon. So 4 times 15.
60.
60. Yeah, I could do 60 miles with this tank.
But with this tank.
Yeah.
So extra.
The boat's 49 gallons.
So you can go a lot.
A lot.
But this one can extend your trips.
A lot.
So can we take a look where would that go inside? Let's put this back on here.
It's controlled by pump.
So it's like a pump, like if you go into a gas station. And how much more expensive is the gas at the marina compared to the gas station?
The gas is down to like 275 to 280 in the marinas, and like especially the Bahamas and in the marina, it's up to $5.
So twice as much, almost.
As much.
So this is a good investment because it pays itself the first time you.
Yep. And it's easier to take in the boat with a trailer.
So let's see where we can go.
It's cumbersome to get into pump sometimes with this. You stick it to the back of the truck.
Oh yeah, you can take it. Oh yeah. So let's see.
Heavy,
but you wouldn't. I want to see where you will put this.
You'd only carry this if you were going to do extended trips. For example, my big boat has 180 gallons.
So this can go under here. Look.
Go under there.
Let me see. Hold this, please.
Maybe it fits there. Yeah, but with this, all you're doing is adding extra storage. Where
let's get the tank.
The good part about this is, say I want to do an extended trip, where I wanted to go long distance, and like say I want to go to the Everglades.
Yeah.
In the Everglades, there's no gas. So what you have to do is you can fill up the main tank, carry this, and you can spend 5 days without getting gas in the middle of the Everglades. By having
this is like a very convenient thing. And where is the tank for this?
The tank is in the floor.
Right in the floor right there,
right
in the front.
If you open up that,
so it's actually like perfect location for it.
But you know what I like about something like this too is, for example, my big boat.
Yeah.
My big boat has 185 gallons.
Oh, there it is. There's the tank. But how do you fill it up from there?
There's an intake in there on the front.
Oh, in the front.
Yeah. You'd have to carry this to the front and fill it up. But what I like about this thing is, let's say I go to the Bahamas on my big boat and it holds 185 gallons. That one. You could carry extra this and spend an additional time without getting $7 gasoline in the Bahamas, which also has a lot of times those pumps in the Bahamas have water in them.
Oh really?
Yeah,
they dilute it?
No, they just don't maintain them that well, and they're older, so they're sipping a little water in it. And I know a lot of guys have gotten their
stock after.
Their gas tanks all screwed up.
So when are you going out?
Well, this week, unfortunately for us, is going to blow. I already looked at the weather to see the opportunity to get out, but
so the next time, or maybe we go and fill it up.
Or we could do that, or we could wait till next time we go out.
Yeah, let's wait till we go out, and we'll do a separate video. But for now, I mean, this tank could be better because it fits perfectly in there. It doesn't take any extra space.
What's also great is, let's say you have your boat on the water at your house, you can fill this up and carry it to your boat without having to go to a gas tank.
Yeah,
go to a gas pump on the water.
Yeah, right. And the only problem is that if you have it here, to lift it.
It's heavy.
It's gonna be
It's
heavy.
No,
But-
ideally, what I would do with that is I put it in the back of the truck. I fill it up, bring the truck right next to the back of the boat.
Wait,
Then you put it in the back of the boat, and then you use the hose from the truck to the boat.
oh,
goes right in
perfect.
there. Yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
So there
now
it
I don't
is.
have to carry tanks off and on and off and on. I can just do it from right here, just like if I was a gas station.
Okay, so the second part of the video will be the actual
filling up.
filling it up and taking it out. So there you go. There's the tank. There's the
Ready to
tools.
go out. Now we need the good
I
weather.
know.
Now we need some
Good weather, Ken.
good weather. No wind is what we need. It's not
Okay,
the heat.
perfect. So
After this cold front.
I'm glad that it's gonna work out.
Oh,
It
yeah.
looks like it's perfect. So, but we have to test
That's
it.
all kinds of purpose. Let's say you want to take a long trip.
Let's cover the boat until next
You
time.
don't want to stop for gas.
Yeah.
You can do that.
What?
It's also good for a generator. For when
Oh, that also too. Well, we don't want to that. We don't want to do that.
You're right. Because that's
We don't gotta hit a hurricane, but yeah, that's a
an
safety.
all-purpose tank.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So when a hurricane's coming, you know how hard sometimes gas gets, and even after a hurricane, you can fill that thing up half the
And
way
you
to
have for
run
your
your own
generator. Yeah,
generator
that's another good
for a long
use.
time,
Well, so here it is. We're gonna wait for our weather
window.
to improve. So we'll be back. See you next time.
See you. You walked over here?
So that's the thing. If you don't own a boat, you have a friend with a boat.
Yeah.
Or two boats, even better. We're gonna spend. I don't even want to spend that much time with me on the boat.
Yes, of course. We're going out, bro.
Yeah,
We
man,
killed
that's a
it.
lot of time.
No, we're not going to use the whole gas.
I know. That'll be a long trip.